Hey G Squad, welcome back to another episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool, amazing product right here in my hand that is pretty much a mini light box. And if you guys seen a lot of offices or places, they actually have one of these. And I actually found one of these, and it actually looks really cool. And I want to test it out and see how cool it is. And if it is cool, I'll actually put it at my desk. So first thing first is actually unbox it and show you guys what comes inside the package first. So the first thing you get inside the package is this little light box, which is really cool. But if you guys look on the light box, there's already a design on here. There's a Hello Kitty, emojis, and there's all the flags on here, which is really cool. They have the remote control to actually control the lights. So you guys can all control all the colors, different mode settings of how to change the color and everything. There's a cable to charge the product. There's a bunch of other stuff there. You can actually change or put your letters on if you want to put a certain letter on there, which is really cool. All that kind of decorations on there and letters and numbers. And then last but not least is the instruction guide and manual on how to set up the product and how to use it and all the cool functionalities about the product. So that's pretty much everything that comes in the package. Now let's see how this actually works. So this product actually you guys can actually plug in a cable right here, which is the one they provide you right here, to actually charge it and power it up. And there's a couple of buttons on here to turn it on and off. So if you want to turn it on, you push the button up, but we'll do that in a second. If you guys turn it on the back side, we actually have like two hooks part where you guys can actually hook it onto the wall or something. And then right here is where you guys will actually put in your battery if you guys want to use battery. So let's see what kind of battery they use. So it looks like they use 3 AAA batteries right here. So 1, 2, 3 to power it up. So that's pretty cool, but you guys don't actually have to use that option. You guys can actually just plug it in a cable and then charge it up, and you guys can actually use it. So I pretty much already have it all charged up now, and so let me show you guys what it looks like. So I have to turn off this light to show you guys what it looks like. So that's how it looks like right now when you guys turn it on. But if you guys want to change the setting of the light, you guys can use this option right here. So watch what happens. So I'm gonna turn it on, make the color white right now. So that's white. If I want to change it to blue, that's blue. Change it to red, red. Change it to green, green. Change it to yellow, yellow. Change it to purple, purple. And then change it to pink, pink. And then if I click like the word demo on here, it actually changes the setting of what the light will do. So all the blinking stuff, here, watch. So that's one mode. If I want to change the mode, I can just click the mode button and it'll change it to different type of mode. It's like a different pattern of how the light would change and react to, which is really cool. And then there's a speed button where you guys can actually control the speed of how fast and how slow you want it to be. So that's fastest. If I want to slow it down, that's the slowest. And then there's also the color and the brightness. So you guys can change the color by clicking the color button. So if you want to do that, you guys can change the color. And if you guys want to change the brightness of it, you guys can change the brightness by clicking bright. So if I turn down the brightness, you guys can see it goes down. If I move it up, it gets brighter. So we do that with blue so you can see it better. So the brightness is going down, you guys can see, and the brightness is going back up now. Alright, so that's pretty much the product itself, and it actually works really well. And it's actually just a cool product to have if you guys just want to like put it in the office or put it somewhere. You could put your own team's name or something, or just decorate it and just leave it there, which is really cool. But that's pretty much everything that comes out of the package. Now let's answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it though. So this product in particular costs around $20 to $21. And for that price range, would I say that's actually worth it? Honestly, based on what I'm getting out of this product right now, I'd say that it's quite worth it. But I do see that on Amazon, there are other products that are very similar that are cheaper. So I don't know if those actually provide the same thing that come on here or just letters. So if I look on those, if you see on Amazon, there's a lot of them that has like the letters, but they didn't mention anything about like emojis and stuff. Like this one, if you guys look at it, it provides you the emojis, it provides you Hello Kitties. Like I don't know if other companies will do that. So as of right now, just by having this product in particular, I have to say that it's actually worth it. Or if you guys really just want the words or something, then obviously go buy those. So pretty much it just really depends on you guys whether or not you guys actually need it, how often you guys plan on using it. Because if you guys don't need it, then obviously don't buy it, because this is just a cool product to have. You guys want to put it on the side and just have it there looking cool. If you guys don't care about that, then obviously don't buy it and just don't even have it in the first place. But other than that, that's pretty much it for the little unboxing, testing, and feedback of the product. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad Fan Shout Day, we have